Okay, so we're going to be answering test 2 part 2 extra credit question 1. So the question says a ball of mass 8 kilograms is suspended by two wires from a horizontal arm, which is attached to a vertical shaft. The shaft is in uniform rotation about its axis such that the linear speed of the ball equals 2.3 meters per second. So they're asking us to find the tension in wire 1. Our options is A, B, C, D, or E. So the way that you want to answer this question is by understanding it, that this is circular rotation. So they're asking us for the tension. Tension will be caused by the formula centripetal force, which equals mass velocity squared over radius. But you also would have to take in consideration of the triangle that it forms. So to if we continue with the formula, basically what it's saying is the mass. We're given that the mass is 8. The velocity is also given, which is 2.3, and the radius is also given, which is 0.8. Now, to get you have to also take into consideration the tangent of 0.6 and 0.8. So you're gonna multiply the radius times the tangent. So 6 over 8. If we calculate that value, we get a 2.3 squared divided by 0.8 times 0.6 divided by 0.8. We get 39.67. So the answer to our question is going to be letter B, 39.